Happy birthday, Mama!
Hoping for more birthdays to come.
Sana always healthy ka, tsaka di ka magkasakit.
We hope you enjoy your stay in the Philippines. God bless,
Bless
you,
you. Love
and
you.
love you. Bye!
Hi, Ate BBK, happy birthday. More birthday to comes and sana parating malakas ang iyong katawan. Ingat parati, ate. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Lola Vicky.
Happy birthday po, Tita Vicky! We miss you po.
Birthday po, Tita Vicky. We miss you. Mwah. Happy birthday.
Yeah! Mommy.
Happy birthday, Dite! Kailan ang blowout mo?
Hi, Vicky!
Happy birthday!
It's your birthday today!
Happy birthday!
Hey to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Vicky! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Vicky! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Vicky! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Vicky!
Happy birthday!
Sayang. Sana kasama namin ikaw sa celebration mo. Sana andyan kami para makita yung pagse-celebrate mo ng birthday mo. Ikawan.
Happy birthday! More birthday to come.
Yes. And hopefully next year magkikita-kita ulit tayo. Pwede natin i-celebrate ulit ang birthday mo, di ba?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, one more song. Happy to you. Happy birthday, dear Vicky. Happy birthday to you. Yay! We're greeting you again from Las Vegas. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday
To you.
Happy 65th birthday, Vicky. My best friend, my kumare. Miss na kita. Sana maging masayang karawan mo na tapos sa mga anak mo. At binigsan-presa ka ng ganito. Salamat. At nakarating tayo sa ganitong edad. 65th birthday ka na. Enjoy life. At enjoy pag-alaga sa apo. Kailan kaya ulit tayo makikita. I miss you na. Love you. God bless you. More birthdays to come. More blessings and more apo.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Ma! I hope you're enjoying your birthday and your time in the Philippines. Sana hindi ka magkasakit and you're always healthy. I love you. God bless you. Bye!
Hi, Mama. Happy 65th birthday. I hope you enjoy yourself in the Philippines. I hope mag-ingat kayo dyan. And hoping for more birthdays to come. Just message me if you need anything. Love you. God bless.
Happy birthday, Ma. Mag-exercise ka dyan at enjoy mo yung Pilipinas. Bye!
Victoria, 65. Hope you have a very good day. And yeah, that's about it. really cold here, but Daniel's got the fire on. But anyway, as I said, have a happy birthday. Bye.